Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff with TurnkeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee, just like this one behind me. Today we're in the 38106 taking a look at a property that we renovated turnkey. It is in a B-class neighborhood and it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home listed at $129,900. Let's go take a look. Today we are at 1721 West Silver Street in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38106. As I stated earlier, this property is listed at $129,900. To give you a brief rundown of the location of this property, Lincoln Park is about 2 minutes away. You can actually see it right there, essentially in the backyard of this property. It is also in the school zone of Hamilton K through 8, which is 4 minutes away, and Hamilton High School, which is a 3-minute drive or 9-minute walk, which you can actually see right there. This home is also situated near major transportation routes like I-240 and I-69, which is a 5-minute drive from this property, 13 minutes from downtown, which has a plethora of shopping and dining down there. The nearest Kroger is less than 10 minutes away. Very well situated property. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning in to our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living room. This home features brand new hard surface, modern looking flooring throughout the entire home, brand new interior paint throughout the home as well, and brand new energy efficient puck lighting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. I love this archway, absolutely adorable. Here we have the kitchen. This is an EN kitchen, brand new cabinets and countertops in the kitchen here, stainless steel sink. We have a tile backsplash that wraps all the way around. Give you a pan of the other side here. Perfect for a little round table right there. Now, before we take a look at the bedrooms, let's go over some numbers. Let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $129,900 and a target monthly rent of $1,250 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 8.85% and a cash-on-cash return of 9.3%. Your total cash needed to close would be $38,975, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $302.13. Let's go take a look at these bedrooms. Just off of the living room, we have bedroom number 4. That brand new hard surface flooring flows into the bottom of this room here. We have that new paint. Could easily fit a queen and a dresser in this room. Very spacious room. We have that brand new lighting in here as well. Lots of windows, 3 windows to be exact. It is a gloomy day in Memphis, so unfortunately you do not get to see the natural light that typically beams in. You have a little bit, but today is not doing it justice. Hard surface flooring flows into the bottom of the closet for this bedroom. We have wood shelving up top for storage. Gonna snake you around through the living room and the kitchen here. Then we're gonna take a left just off of the kitchen and take a look at bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is no exception. Another very spacious bedroom that could fit a queen and a dresser. Let's take a look at the closet for this bedroom. Hard surface flooring flows into the bottom. We have wood shelving up top. Decent sized closet. Taking a right here, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare, or a queen and a dresser, and it would just be a little tight. Still a spacious bedroom, just a little longer and narrow than the other two. Deeper closet than the other 2 bedrooms. Hard surface flooring flows into the bottom. Wood shelving up top. Give you one more pan of the bedroom here. Beautiful. Directly across from bedroom number 3, we have the washer and dryer closet. We did put in a brand new washer box and a brand new dryer vent. Well, vent hood. Shelving up top for laundry storage needs. Concealed by dual bifold doors. At the end of the hall, we have the master bedroom. Master bedroom is also very spacious. Could fit a queen bed and a dresser in this bedroom. Here we have the bathroom for the master. Brand new vanity with a new vanity top. New toilet. That hard surface flooring flows into the bottom of this bathroom here. Beautiful shower with new tile. Brand new tub as well. Cute bathroom. Cute mirror too. At the very end of the hall here, not only do we have the back door, we also have the shared baths for bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. In this bathroom, we have a brand new vanity. It's actually a large vanity with a brand new vanity top. Hard surface flooring in this bathroom. We kept the original tile. It was in great condition. We just cleaned it up a little bit. The tub was also in good condition, so we kept that as well. New toilet installed. It is a spacious shared bath. I would like to state that there is a new water heater and a new HVAC system as well. And the condenser, I know I didn't show you it, but it's not installed yet, but it will be as soon as we have a resident that pays funds to move in. Also, I love that there's a security door out front here on the property. I'm gonna give you one more pan of the outside here. Thank you so much for joining me on another lovely walkthrough video of a property that we have listed on our website at turnkeyinvest.com. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye.